Hey, welcome to Scrappin' It Up. I'm Vanessa, and I wanted to come on here just show you guys what we done in our live class that I've been teaching over on my Facebook page, Scrappin' It Up. This was the original album that we were making in the video, or in the tutorial on Facebook. Jeepers, can't talk today. And this is the album. And this album here, I know I posted it here a couple weeks ago, so it is on my YouTube. But this is the album we made over on my Facebook page, guys. And what we do, I do a live, and then you work right along with me, or you can watch the replays of it and make it on your own. It's just that, you know, if you're live, you have a question, I'm there to answer it for you. Or answer any question about scrapbooking that you may have. So I wanted to show you guys the album that we made during our classes. So this is the same thing as this one, but I increased the spine on this one just a little bit. That one's 1/2 inch, this one is 1 inch. And this is a photo folio. So, and I done it with the Say Cheese 3 by Simple Stories. So we put a photo mat on here, and I left this open to where you could stick a photo back behind there, just like that. So we open it up, and this is a 11 by, don't remember, 11 by 7.5. Let me see if I can get this all in frame here. So this flips open, and then this flips open, and then this one here flips open. Just a really simple, quick album, and we even decorated it on the live videos too. So I decorate with you, show you some tips and tricks of decorating. Here you've got a pocket, and we just made a little place where you could journal, put a photo here, or put 2 photos, just totally up to you. And here's a journaling card. And then just slide right back down into here. Then this flips open. And then here you have a pull out, what we call our little booklet. And it has a tag right here. There you go. And you open it up, and you have a flip out here, and then you have 2 flip out here. And these will fit a 4x6 photo just perfect. You don't have to crop down. And that just goes back here in this right here. And then this flips. And then over here, we have a double stack pocket. So here is a tag that we put done. And we have this tag. And then we made these 2 tags. And we just left the backs plain, because we don't want to create a whole bunch of bulk. And then that opens up to reveal that. It's pretty cute with them cameras on there. And that is our Say Cheese 3 album, excuse me, by Simple Stories. And as you can see, I mean, it's got plenty of room to stick your photos in there. And we made this during our live class on my Facebook page, Scrappin' It Up. And we'll be making the whole month of March. We're going to be making some more albums. And our next class, which is we'll be making another album. So if you want to check it out for more information, go to my Facebook page, Scrappin' It Up, and come over and join my live videos where I'm teaching you how to make a few scrapbook albums. So hey, I'll let you guys go, and thanks for watching, and I hope to see you over on my Facebook page. Thanks. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.